Welcome. This is your time. A time to step away from the noise of the day, from the demands of your mind, and from the pressure of your emotions. Whether you are here because you've been feeling anxious, weighed down by depression, or simply under the weight of stress, know that you've made a healthy choice. This is a 20-minute guided mindfulness meditation that will help you calm your nervous system, reduce racing thoughts, release tension, gently observe and soften emotional discomfort, and reconnect with a deeper sense of inner peace. There's no need to try hard during this meditation. Mindfulness is not about forcing the mind to be silent. It is about allowing everything to be as it is, while you hold yourself in kindness and awareness. So, find a comfortable position, sitting upright with your feet planted on the ground, or lying down if you prefer. Allow your body to be supported. Let your hands rest naturally, either in your lap or by your sides. If you feel safe to do so, gently close your eyes. If not, simply lower your gaze. Now, begin by taking a deep breath in, slowly, through your nose. Let your lungs fill completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply, filling up your belly, your ribs, your chest, and then release, letting go of tension with your breath. Allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm. There's no need to control it now, just notice it. Notice the gentle rise and fall. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nostrils, perhaps cool, and how it feels as it leaves, perhaps warm. You may notice that your breath is shallow at first. That's okay. With each moment, it may become a little deeper, a little slower. And even if it doesn't, that's okay too. Bring all of your attention to this simple act, breathing. Each inhale, a gift of life. Each exhale, a gentle release. If your mind wanders, and it will, simply notice where it went, without judgment, and return to the breath. Now, let's bring our attention to the body. A gentle scan, from head to toe, to release physical tension and connect more deeply with the present moment. Start at the top of your head. Notice the sensations there, maybe tingling, warmth, or stillness. Relax your forehead, smoothing away any tension. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Allow your eyes to rest in their sockets, releasing any strain. Unclench your jaw, letting your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Notice your neck and shoulders. If they're tense, imagine each exhale melting that tension away, like warm sunlight dissolving ice. Feel your arms, heavy, supported. Notice your hands, your fingers, maybe a subtle pulse of life moving within them. Bring awareness to your chest, noticing the rhythm of your breath. Feel your heart beating, a steady companion, always working for you. Now your belly, soften it. Release any tightness. Bring attention to your back, upper, middle, and lower. If there's discomfort, simply notice it without trying to change it. You are simply the observer. Notice your hips and pelvis, grounded and supported. Move your awareness down your legs, thighs, knees, calves. Finally, your feet, the points of contact with the earth or floor beneath you. Feel their weight. Feel their stability. Take a moment to breathe deeply, feeling your whole body present, alive, and relaxed. Now, turn your attention inward to the space of the mind. You may notice thoughts appearing, plans, memories, worries, random images. Rather than chasing them or pushing them away, imagine you are sitting beside a river. Each thought is a leaf drifting on the surface of the water. You don't have to grab the leaf, and you don't have to sink it. Just watch it float by. If a thought pulls you in, that's okay. The moment you notice, simply return to the river bank and watch again. Now, let's extend this same awareness to emotions. If you're feeling anxious, heavy, restless, or even numb, just notice it. Label it softly in your mind. This is anxiety. This is sadness. This is restlessness. No judgment. No resistance. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are the space in which they come and go. Even the strongest storm in the mind will pass. The sky is always present behind the clouds. Now, imagine yourself in a place that feels peaceful and safe. It might be a quiet beach at sunset, a sunlit forest path, a mountain meadow with wildflowers, or a cozy room with warm light. See yourself there now. Notice the colors, the shapes, the textures. Feel the temperature of the air. Notice any scents, maybe the salt of the sea, the freshness of pine, the sweetness of flowers. Hear the sounds, the gentle rhythm of waves, the rustle of leaves, the song of birds, or the soft hum of stillness. In this place, you feel completely safe. The outside world cannot reach you here. Your worries cannot touch you here. With each breath, imagine your body soaking in this peace, like a sponge absorbing warm light. Your muscles release any lingering tightness. Your heart feels lighter. Your mind feels clear, open, and spacious. Here, there is nothing to fix, nothing to solve. You are simply allowed to be. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds in the room. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and let it go slowly. In your own time, open your eyes. Carry with you the awareness you've cultivated, the understanding that peace is not somewhere far away. It is